Hi, this is Gary, and we're just bringing it out because the weather is wonderful, beautiful video weather. And I just want you to see the whole car without a bunch of sunlight blocking everything. Look at this. Is there enough bling bling for you? We call ourselves the kings of bling. And that's exactly what we do. But isn't this lovely? The exhaust system made from a 100-year-old heater. Look at all this stuff. This, you know, if you smile when you see this car, that's what it's about. It's just to make people happy and to see what you can do with an old fire engine. This is number 8. So anyhow, we wanted you to see it all in this beautiful day. It's got all its numbers, it's got everything on it, and here you go. So you have a nice day, as we sure in hell are.